Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 245, Power Platform CLI command change. I first talked about the Power Platform CLI, commonly referred to as the PAC CLI, back in tip number 136. And since then we've had a few tips about the Power Pages command that it offers. Today I want to provide an update on the name of the command, as it relates to how the name of the product has evolved. In the past videos, the commands related to Power Pages began with PAC PA Portal. This goes back to the previous name of the product, Power Apps Portals. As of version 1.27 of the PAC CLI, the PAC PA Portal command has been updated to PAC Power Pages. If you have scripts that use this command, you'll be happy to know that PA Portal will continue to work, at least for a while. But I'd recommend getting these updated the next time you're editing them, as you never know if Microsoft will decide to remove that backwards compatibility. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 245 on Power Platform CLI command change useful.